What can you expect when you request a quote from me? Firstly, you can expect me to give you a call back within 24 hours. Secondly, you can expect me to show up to the appointment on time. Thirdly, you can expect me to come to the door and ask you some questions. I'm going to be asking things like, what are you looking for? Do you have any pets on the property? Are there any special concerns such as leaks or blown off shingles or anything along those lines? Fourth, you can expect me to get up onto the roof. There's only a couple conditions where I won't be able to get up onto the roof, and that's if the roof is very steep or if it's bad weather conditions outside, raining, windy, or icy or snowy. Fifth, you can expect me to sit in my truck for a little bit. Don't worry, I'm not sleeping on the job. I'm just building up the estimate for you. I want to make sure that there's a lot of detail in your estimate. Also, a lot of the pictures that I take while I'm on your roof, I'm going to show you as I go through the estimate with you once I get out of the truck. Lastly, you can expect me to come back to the door. Whether I can get you the estimate right away or not, I'm still going to come to the door and explain everything to you. Sometimes, in certain situations, I have to talk to my supervisor before I can send you the estimate. So in those situations, you should expect to get your quote within 24 to 48 hours of the inspection. Now, when you're considering getting a roof done, there's a couple things that you need to consider. What are the attic ventilation requirements? What is underlayment? What is drip edge? You should also research the different types of shingles out there, including the class, and what your insurance company will do if you go with a high-class shingle. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Cheers.